name is Jonathan Jeffers. I'm a reader in mechanical engineering at Imperial College in London. In the UK, we spend £5 billion a year on musculoskeletal disorders, and about 1 billion of that is spent replacing people's hips and knees. We need new technology and new materials to treat these patients and reduce their failure rate. We use the Renishaw AM systems to produce lattice structures, and we use them in two ways. Firstly, we use them to create more bone-like materials, which we'll deploy in orthopedic implant design. And secondly, we use the lattice materials to create surgical instruments that can control the loading a surgeon delivers during surgery. We've designed the part to match bone density by extracting the material properties of the bone from a conventional CT scan. And we then use our own software and methods to apply the density from the CT scan to the implant to match the bone that we're replacing. We've had a breakthrough in our research in that we've been able to use the lattice structures created on the Renishaw machine to control bone formation. This is the first time this has been achieved, and it demonstrates our technology will be useful to treat young patients with osteoarthritis. The future of additive manufacturing in the orthopedic field is clearly for implant design, because that's already happening. There's also a future in joint preserving surgery, where we use lattice load-bearing structures to improve surgery that keeps the natural joint intact. There's a huge opportunity for using additive manufacturing in instruments, and we're also starting to deploy the technology outside the orthopedic field as fail-safe mechanisms in different other healthcare applications. The reason we wanted to work with Renishaw is because Renishaw has a ISO 13485 quality management system in place. The medical device industry is highly regulated, and rightly so. But if you're starting out as a new company, meeting those regulations is difficult to do. So by partnering with Renishaw, they saved us months, if not years of work. Combining Renishaw's experience with additive manufacturing together with our experience in orthopedic surgery at Imperial makes a great team, and one in which we've had great success.